Okay, so we're going to go ahead and get started. Get everything torn down. I have to apologize for the noise. Some folks working in the house today, so it's going to be things and sounds. I'm going to end up muting some of this process, so just bear with me. Okay, your dial has a 3.3 and your case back is a 3.5, so that's exactly what you want to see. Ooh, a lot of wear. Okay, well there's your teardown complete. We are going to clean a few things by hand, do some jeweling here in your arbor ports, and we'll be back. Okay, we're back. So just to let you know, you got a new jewel here in your main plate for your arbor, and you've got one in your upper arbor port as well. So we are ready to start with reassembly. All right. All right. That's your movement together. Let's go ahead and have a look and see what we've done. Check our work. Okay, let's start doing some adjusting. give it a quick demag and we'll come back. Okay, Henry, we're back over on the calendar side. I'm going to go ahead and put some final pieces together over here, and then we can get things finished up. Okay, so next up is your dial in your hands. Looks good. All right. We'll be back. Okay, Henry, here we are at the end. Last couple pieces. Okay, well there it is. There is your very, very original, very interesting in terms of its look, 6105 8119. All right, well, that is service complete. Everything came out, I think, really great. We had a few little hiccups along the way. Nothing of any real substance. Couple parts that you knew needed to be replaced, and a few that needed. After I was able to sort of take a very close look at the performance of the watch, it really indicated to me that there were some issues with power in the watch, so the amount of oomph left in your hair or your mainspring. So let's go over what we actually replaced and did. You got a new crystal. There's your crystal. And we'll come back to you. I went ahead and, of course, well, there are your spring bars. We're going to get you some new spring bars that fit better than those. Here's your seal from your crown. Nice stiff thing. So your crown has been completely rebuilt and has a new gasket, which ensures that moisture is at bay. Here is your arbor port bushing. That will come home. Of course, your case back seal, which I don't think is quite correct. Here's a portion of what was underneath your bezel. The other half broke off at some point in the past and never got put back in. But this is, a stiff piece of plastic at this point. It's not really doing its job. And the one sort of unexpected change that we had to make was with this. This is your barrel. This is your complete barrel. It's got a cleaned and lubricated mainspring, but the power in the watch was really quite low. And so I don't know if you remember in the service, I pointed out there was a whole bunch of wear oriented, around the top of this, where this, has the ratchet wheel with a screw. Your main plate and your bridge had a ton of wear, which means that this was doing a lot of work over and over and over again, and was twisting and was really just out of sorts. And To me, you know, power is important. The use of that power through the movement is what makes your watch accurate and running as it should. And this just wasn't doing its job. So you got a new mainspring. I went ahead and just out of completeness exchanged the whole barrel arbor assembly. So that's going to come back to you. And so we're hacking right now. Let's go ahead and unhack and get you locked back down so you know you're locked in place. Everything is as it should be. I basically cosmetically left everything alone. The hands, you know, I tried to bring back a little bit of that, you know, there's a bunch of darkening here by your loom. I was able to get that cleaned up just a little bit because you can see the dial in the hand so much more readily now because of the new crystal. I just wanted it to be as consistent as it was. And I think that looks really nice. That loom is such a cool color. There's no reason to remove that. And it's really great. I think it just looks fine. You have a new click ball, and that's just buttery smooth as it should be. Clicking at each minute, 60 clicks around. Again, new case back seal, new bezel seal, new crown seal, rebuilt crown, cleaned case, no polishing, just a good cleaning, which I think brings it out very nicely. We'll get you some new spring bars. These are a little too small for the size of the hole. I have some that actually fit properly. These will egg you out eventually, and they'll kind of work on the case a bit. And one of them's too long, so you need some new spring bars. Otherwise, I think the watch came out fantastic. That blue tint to your insert is so neat. Just left everything cosmetically alone. I thought that, you know, you'd like to get your watch back the way it was. All right, well, Henry, thank you so much for trusting me with your watch. I hope you enjoy it. I have a couple little just performance tests to do, and then it's ready to come home. All right, well, thanks so much, and thanks for watching.